Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. However, I just wanted to draw your attention to this special type of a grid line. I've applied it before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically this golden spiral should disappear after resetting. So in order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves, of course. So in the right upper corner, we've got this proper icon. Let's tap on it and now scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Let's tap on it and tap on Done. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the spiral is not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences to their defaults. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.